I learned all of these things really early in my life, really around 13, when I started working at a casket factory swinging a hammer. And the owner of the casket factory, he was not only a business owner, but he owned real estate. Now, he lived in Palos Verdes, but guess what? He didn't own real estate in Palos Verdes. He owned real estate in my neighborhood, and he rented it out and he made money. And one day I see him in this yard pulling weeds. And I was like, Mr. McIntyre? And he looks up and I said, what are you doing here? And he said, I own this house. I'm pulling the weeds. I'm maintaining the house. And I said, oh my gosh. And look, I'd like to say at 13 years old, it hit me right away. Own businesses and real estate. Here's my example. To live in Palos Verdes, this is what you do. Well, I'm just not that quick. It took me 20 years to figure it out. But I'd like to help you do it a lot quicker than that.